Let's go, gang! Come on, let's go, baby. What's up, everyone? I am Caden, aka Chief Van Frost, if you guys don't know. So Josh and I decided to mix the Forex industry up a little bit and just teach you guys everything we know about trading for free. Now take this from me. I've bought maybe 10 to 15 courses. Each one saying the exact same thing, just by a different person. So my goal on this YouTube channel is simple. To show you everything I know for free without you having to go buy a course. Now, just a fair warning, it's gonna be long because I'm going step by step from the basics. What is Forex? What is a pip? What is a broker even? I'm going way back to those simple things, and then I'm going to show you the more advanced things later. Now, a bit of history about myself before we start. I started trading in 2017. I became profitable around 2021 or 2022, somewhere around there. I actually took a break from trading because I noticed myself being into charge so often, and I was kind of getting, I want to use the word depressed, but not depressed yet. I just felt closed up in a room looking at the charts all day, so I decided just to take a break from trading. If I wanted to come back, I could always come back. I always knew the skill for it, so I could always just come back. But now that I'm here, I decided I actually want to change a few things up and not hide any secrets and just show you guys plain and simple what I do and how I do it. So as we move forward, we're going to be teaching technical analysis and psychology together. It's not just going to be myself, it will be Josh and myself. But for now, this lesson's just me, baby. Okay, first things first, this is Trading View. Next lesson, I'll explain what it is and how do we use it. But I just want a blank piece of paper just to show you guys. And I see here, I forgot to buy the premium. When I say I've been gone, I mean I've been gone. Okay, cool. What is Forex? Let's just start there. This lesson is just explaining Forex. If you ever wanted to order something online and you see they have a different currency, you'll go online, say euro to the pound or euro to the dollar or rand to the dollar. You'll need to find out what the currency is and how much it is. That is Forex in a nutshell. So if I want to find out how much a dollar is to the rand right now, it's currently 19. $1 is 19 rand. That's a bit much. Last month it was like 17. As you can see here. This is a Forex graph. So we are going to learn how to trade that in a more tactical way. So before we actually start, we need to know what Forex trading is. So Forex trading is getting the groups of currencies together and trading that currency to another pair. Forex trading is taking one currency and trading it against another currency. So for example, you get the euro, you get the US dollar, you get the Great Britain pound, you get the Japanese yen, you get the Canadian dollar, you get the Australian dollar, and you get many more. Every single currency is here, but I'm just going to use these for example. A pair is trading one pair to another pair. Let me zoom in for you guys. Okay, there you go. I got the words bigger for you. After this lesson, I'm going to buy this thing. Okay, so a currency pair is matching two of these currencies together and trading them against each other. So for example, a main one I would use is GBP USD. That is a very popular one. The arrow is just showing you guys the difference that we can understand together. GBP USD is pretty plain and simple. It is the pound versus the dollar. So whenever we say GBP USD went up, that means the pound went up and the dollar went down. It means the pound went up and the dollar went down. And when we say GU, aka GBP USD, went down, we're saying that the pound went down and the dollar went up. That is it in a nutshell. But then there's different figures that we need to know. There's different pairs. There's a whole bunch of things that we actually need to figure out in trading. For myself, I'll be trading these two pairs mainly. I feel like these two are very versatile and they actually show everything you need to know about trading. I'll be using these two pairs in examples. Maybe I'll throw in gold or other pairs, but these two pairs are my main pairs and they are the best in my trading view. You get many other different currency pairs. You get USD CAD, GBP USD, USD JPY. You get tons. I'm currently here on GBP USD and you see these numbers on the right. This indicates the price action for that specific chart. Right now the price is sitting at 1.24124, but we're not going to use that for example. Just for argument's sake, we are going to use this line as the price action line for now. So right now that line indicates to us that the price for £1 in US dollar is 1.30747 based on that line. This is called price. This is, if this goes up, then price action is going up. If this goes down, price action is going down. That number right here is the lowest number we can have. That is called a pipette. This number is the number that we'll be using the most, which is called a pip. I can't get the exact number, but it's the 4. The 4 is the pip. The 7 is the pipette. I can't get it exactly for it, but just trust me. It is what it is. There you go. The pip is the 4. The pipette is the 7. I hope that is pretty clear for you guys so that you guys can understand what we are doing. So if you are going long, which means you are going up, which means you are going bullish, you get different terms while trading. You get long, up, bearish. That means that the graph you are busy viewing, in our instant, GBP USD, will be going up. Or you get down, short, bearish, which means the graph we are busy viewing is going down. If this price goes up by 1 pip, which means the 4 becomes a 5, that means the graph is long or bearish. Only at that specific time. This means that it's a bullish graph, but there are bearish moments, but overall the trend is bullish. And same thing with this. This means that it's a short, bearish graph. There are bullish moments, but overall the trend is bearish. This is where it's going to be a little bit dirty, and I don't like dirty, but I'll help you guys out. If this is going to go down, then this is actually this. Whoopsie. That is going down, which means it will look like this. But if this is going up, then it will be like this. I mean, it's not that dirty. Looks good. I want to talk about the pips for a second. When we trade, we often hear, oh, 100 pips, 10 pips, 50 pips, whatever, right? Now that gets a bit overwhelming. We don't actually know what that means. Let me break down. A pip is considered one movement. Yes, there is a pipette, but we do not actually count the pipettes. We focus on the pips. So if the 7 becomes an 8, it has moved 1 pip. It has moved 10 pips to the upside. If it becomes a 6, it has moved 10 pips to the downside. If I enter a trade and I enter with 1 lot size and it moves 10 pips in my direction, that means I will earn $100 from that specific movement if it goes my way. If it goes against me, it means I will lose $100. So just so you guys can understand, 1 pip is equal to $10 on a 1 lot size movement. Now in the beginning, we might be trading with half a lot, might be trading with 1 lot, but I advise trade on a demo account and practice risk to reward management before you get to a live account. I feel like that summed up the video pretty nicely, just as an introduction. Tomorrow, next video, I'll be explaining TradingView and how do we use it. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to subscribe to our channel.